Good day everyone. My name is Annalyn Faralion Baligasa and I'll be discussing about UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities and UN Sustainable Development Goal for Quality Education and Inclusion. This unit is about the basics of a fair school system, one where every single student has the right to learn and belong no matter who they are or what challenges they might face. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to explain the key principles of the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities and UN Sustainable Development Goal 4 on Quality and Inclusive Education. The student should be able to analyze and apply these principles in real or simulated educational situations to promote inclusive learning practices. And lastly, demonstrate respect, responsibility, and commitment toward ensuring equitable and inclusive education for all learners. UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. Think of this as a global promise signed by countries. It changed how we see disability, not as a medical problem to fix in a person, but a society's job to remove barriers so everyone can participate. It's about dignity, rights, and inclusion. So, its main goals are simply but powerful to ensure equality, protect rights, promote dignity, and build a world where everyone belongs. It asks us to look at the environment, not the person as the thing that needs to change. What is convention? A convention is a serious international agreement. This specific one is the core rulebook for disability rights worldwide. The United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities is a global human rights treaty that guarantees persons with disabilities the same rights and freedoms as everyone else. It requires countries to ensure equality, dignity, inclusion, and accessibility in all areas of life, such as education, justice, and community living, while specifically protecting those facing multiple discrimination like women and children with disabilities. The accompanying optional protocol allows individuals to report violations to an international committee, providing a system for accountability and enforcement. UNCRPD articles. The UNCRPD articles has 50 article sections. Key ones guarantee things like inclusive education for all, protection from abuse, the right to live independently in the community, and special attention for women, girls, and children with disabilities who often face more discrimination. The optional protocol to the UNCRPD. This is like the enforcement or complaint section of the global promise. If a country breaks the rules, it gives people and groups two ways to seek justice. One is file a formal complaint to the UN, or two, request a confidential investigation for serious widespread violations. Two main functions of the optional protocol. Individual communications procedure. So, um, an individual or group can file a formal complaint with the UN Committee on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. So they must first try all possible legal solutions in their own country. The inquiry procedure. The UN Committee can launch a confidential investigations if it receives reliable evidence of grave or systematic violations of the CRPD. This can include a visit to the country but only with the country's consent. UN Sustainable Development Goal for Quality Education and Inclusion. So this is my second topic. This is the world's shared homework assignment for 2030. So it ensure inclusive and quality education for all and promote lifelong learning. It says education is a basic human right, not a privilege. So why education matter? So education is the key to almost everything good. It helps fight poverty, creates equality, builds healthier and more peaceful communities, and it empowers you to reach your potential. It's the foundation for a better world. So the core components of quality education. Quality education isn't just about having a school building. It means everyone can get in equity. Students actually learn useful skills, and learning can happen at any age. It's about meaningful outcomes for every learner. So the child related SDG indicators. So the target 4.1, it ensures free, fair and quality primary and secondary education for all. 4.2, guarantee quality early childhood development and pre-primary education. Target 4.3 and 4.4, it provides equal access to higher education, technical, vocational, or university, and relevant jobs skills. So the target 4.5 and 4.6, it eliminates all forms of discrimination, especially gender in education, and ensure literacy and numeracy for all youth and most adults. Target 4.A and 4.B, create safe and inclusive learning environments for all, including children with disabilities, and increase scholarships. Target 4.C, it increase the number of qualified teachers through better training and international support. So inclusion and education. Inclusion means every learner matters and belongs equally. It's about removing barriers in physical spaces, in lessons, and in attitudes so that diversity in the classroom is seen as a normal and valuable thing. Theoretical perspective on quality and inclusion. Conceptual dimensions. This is the core ideas that define the goal. It ensures fair access and opportunities for every student. It actively engage and value all learners in the learning community. And education must lead to meaningful outcomes and relevant skills. So it is a high quality education system. It is a high quality education system is one that is fair, engaging, and effective for all. Frameworks for implementation. So frameworks for implementation. Uh, this is used to create flexible learning environments from the start. Apply differentiated instruction to tailor teaching to diverse student needs. And also employ culturally responsive pedagogy to connect learning to students' backgrounds and experiences. Next is the challenges to achieving SDG 4. So even with these great goals, the reality is tough. We face ongoing inequality, not enough trained teachers, schools without proper facilities, and big disruptions like the pandemic. Reaching the goal means working together to solve these problems. So that's all for my report. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening.